If you've ever seen our walking pad review, you will know that Smith is a company that not only makes great products for the fitness crowd, but their products are all very compact and don't take much space. We recently received a rowing machine from Smith, the WR1 water rower. As usual, it is small and compact, and definitely the best choice for people who live in apartments. The WR1 is relatively a small package in most rowing machines. If you buy this rowing machine in a box, you will get an instruction manual and 2 batteries. An agent blue, which can be used for sterilization and algae removal to make the water blue. In addition, there's also a pump. Obviously, this is to make it easier for you to add water to the tank. These accessories are enough to show that Smith is very considerate of their customers. If a product is good, you have to see if it looks good first. Even if the design is very ugly, you definitely will not buy it. The Smith WR1 design is very good, I think. The material used is metal plus wood. Individual metal parts polished like a mirror. Looks very premium. Do not think that this wood is metal coated with a wood-like paint. They are real wood. The color of the wood gives life to the cold metal equipment. At least it is the one with a very striking design among Amazon's many black rowing machines. The grip is made of hard plastic and the seat is hard rubber, strong enough while having some flexibility. Remember the 2 batteries in the package? They can power the screen and sensors. I'm sure no one wants a power cord to limit the placement of your rowing machine. The rowing machine has a phone holder, although it says it's not a pad holder, but it's still fine to put an iPad mini 6. The brown water tank also matches the color of the wood, so I'm very satisfied with the design of WR1. After a general introduction to its appearance, let's see why you should buy this rowing machine and not others. The first selling point, and the most important one, is the compactness. As I said at the beginning, Smith is very good at making compact fitness equipment, and this may be the only patented 3-fold rower you can buy. You can fold a 2-meter long rower very simply into a square and then set it on any corner by its own wheels. It looks like a vaulting box after folding, also very good looking. Honestly, this is the most compact water rower I've ever seen, and the people who don't have much space for a rower machine at home should definitely consider it. The second selling point is quiet. In order to make the rowing machine more quiet, the wheels of seat is hard rubber, plus the F-style rail can reduce the noise generated by friction. There are also paddles in the water tank. They are also made by a rare material, glass fiber. Compared with steel or PE material, it is more durable and stable. This way you can listen to the unique water sound of water rower, rather than the noisy sound of rail friction. It really sounds like you are rowing on water. The WR1 is actually a smart home device which can be linked to your phone to record rowing data. The QR code on the holder can be scanned to download their app. The app doesn't have many features, mainly tutorials on using the rowing machine and recording your exercise data for a long time. As soon as you pull the handle, the phone will automatically start recording your exercise data. I suggest you go online and learn the standard position for rowing, because if you do it the wrong way, your body will not be well trained. Instead, you might get injured. Of course, you can use it without app. Most of the data on this screen is also enough to let you know how much exercise you have done today. Anyway, why you need a rowing machine? Because the action of rowing requires the use of almost all the muscles of the body, and you can just do it with one machine. So buying a good rowing machine is probably the most cost-effective of all fitness equipment. The Smith stands out with its great design, compact size, and less noise in many rowing machines. I saw the price of WR1 on Indiegogo. I don't think it's expensive. So if you can afford it, you can be one of your best choices. Here's Will from Gizmochina. We will see you next time.